Smart Life. Live smart and be healthy for good. The festive season goes along with rainy season. Rain is good for the farms, water dams, but it is a hazard. Risks: flood that can destroy infrastructures, wash away vehicles, drowning, accidents due to poor visibility, and slippery roads, injuries by hail, thunderstorms, flu, diarrhea due to dirty water, landslide that can threaten human life, disrupt communication, water supply, power outage. Precautions: check weather broadcasts before you leave. Take your raincoat with. Assess the weather. Party indoors. Avoid outdoor parties. Get generation. Store water. Keep your yard secure. Don't answer cell phones when charging or during thunderstorms. Thumb up to Smart Life. Smart Life. Live smart and be healthy for good.